In resistance welding, proper electrode force is one of the critical factors affecting weld quality, consistency, and electrode life. One setup and maintenance tool we recommend is the Tuffaloy digital hydraulic weld force gauge. This digital hydraulic model is a middle-of-the-road gauge, featuring the convenience of a digital readout, but at a lower price point than the DLC force gauges that fully generate an electronic load cell design. The digital hydraulic design features excellent accuracy, similar to the DLC. This particular gauge is available in 4 different models. Select the gauge that best matches but does not exceed the weld force range that you need to be able to measure. With fast response and high accuracy, the digital display captures the force that the electrodes apply under pressure, providing clear, repeatable readings. The backlit display improves visibility on the shop floor, making force readings easy to see during setup, troubleshooting, and routine verification. The resistance welder should always be in no weld when taking force measurements. The gauge features a replaceable insulation boot to help protect the gauge from damage in case of an inadvertent firing during force measurement. The swiveling head allows the gauge to be properly positioned between the electrodes. The peak hold feature captures the maximum electrode force applied, allowing users to verify force without having to watch the display during the weld operation. Battery power is supplied by 2 easy-to-replace AA batteries. Each force gauge ships with a protective carrying case for safe storage and easy transport. All Tuffaloy force gauges are factory calibrated and certified. Recertification is available through TJ Snow. For more information on the Tuffaloy digital hydraulic force gauge, please visit us at tjsnow.com.